Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to sign in to your NYT Games account. So let's dive into the video without wasting much of our time. First of all, open your NYT Games application. Now, from the main homepage, tap on the profile icon located at the top right hand corner. This will then open up the settings menu. Simply tap on login under account info to log into an existing account. Now, you can go ahead and log in using your email address or one of the social networking accounts at the bottom. In order to log in using your email, go ahead and type in a valid email address in the text box. Once you are done entering the email, tap on continue. On the next page, it'll ask you to enter your password. If you don't remember the password, simply tap on the forgot password link beneath the login button and follow through the on-screen prompts in order to reset to a new password. But if you remember your password, you can simply type it in the password text box. Once done, tap on the log it button and you will be able to log into your NYT Games account. So that's how easy it is. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.